Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, how are you today? I hope you are healthy. Okay friends, today we have to study about reference word in Syariah banking text atau rujukan kata dalam teks perdagangan syariah. Before we start, introduce member first. There are Fatma Kori Pramida and member 2 my friends Vika Puspanagoro. So, let's start to our presentation. Definition of reference. According to Taufikur Rahman in the textbook in the Study of Structure and Language 2018, reference words are words that refer to other words that have been previously expressed. The reference word serves as a link between sentences so that a paragraph looks cohesive or unified. Menurut Taufikur Rahman dalam buku teks dalam kajian struktur dan kebahasaan 2018, kata rujukan adalah kata yang merujuk pada kata lain yang telah diungkapkan sebelumnya. Kata rujukan berfungsi sebagai penghubung antar kalimat agar sebuah paragraf terlihat kohensif atau menyatu. And then, reference words are divided into two types, namely anaphoric and cataphoric. Anaphoric is reference words that point to things that have been mentioned or to the left, while cataphoric is reference words that point to things that have not been mentioned or reference words to the right. Anaphora, reference to something previously mentioned. The reference words are as in the reference column in the table below. Reference it or its. Reference to single noun before. Reference or here or here's. Reference to single female person before. Reference he or his or him. Reference to single male person before. Reference they or their or theirs. Reference to plural nouns before. Reference this or that. Reference to noun or phrase and or clause or sentence before. Reference there or here, there or here. Reference to place mentioned before. Notes. Number 1. It as a singular pronoun, for example, replacing a cat, the photo, my camera, the dream, and organization, the boy's activity. Number 2. He as a male pronoun, for example, replacing a boy, a photographer, a cameraman, my brother, an actor. Number 3. They as a pronoun for more than one person or thing. For example, replacing some cats, 2 photos, calendars, people, Andy and journal, my brother, our activities.
Cataphora, a reference to something that will be mentioned later or after. The reference words are as in the table below. It plus be plus n. It refers to the noun. It plus models plus be plus n. It refers to the noun. It plus has plus been plus n. It refers to the noun. There is plus n. It refers to the noun. There are plus n. It refers to the noun. There will be plus b. It refers to the noun. First, reference word. Reference words are divided into several, namely reference object, this, that, those, and that. Reference place, her, there, over there, in, there. Revealer or personal. or those who are treated like people, he, she, him, they, and he. Kata rujukan dibedakan menjadi beberapa, yaitu rujukan benda atau hal, yaitu ini, itu, dan tersebut. Rujukan tempat, di sini, di situ, dan di sana. Dan yang terakhir, rujukan personil atau orang atau yang diperlakukan seperti orang. Dia, ia, nya, mereka, dan beliau. Islamic Banking. Banking Sharia or Islamic banking is a banking system which implemented based on Islam law. The formation of the banking system is based on a prohibition in Islam to lend or collection loans by applying interest or loans riba, as well as the prohibition to invest in prohibited categories of business. Perbankan syariah atau perbankan Islam adalah suatu sistem perbankan yang pelaksanaannya berdasarkan hukum Islam. Pembentukan sistem ini berdasarkan adanya larangan dalam agama Islam untuk meminjamkan atau memungut pinjaman dengan menggunakan bunga pinjaman atau riba, serta larangan untuk berinvestasi pada usaha-usaha berkategori terlarang atau haram. Example 1. That is Ali, he is Andy, elder brother. What does the word he in the sentence refers to? A. Ali, B. Ann, C. Brother, D. Andy's. Number 2. Besides decorating the town, the status also turned out to the helpful for people from out of town to find places they are seeking in Boyolali. What does the underlined word refer to? A. People from out of town. B. Place in Boyolali. C. Cow status. And D. Real counts.
The answer to first question is A. Why A? Not the reference to the preceding sentence. It is all. The he word is Ali. Jadi, coba perhatikan rujukan kalimat sebelumnya, yaitu that is Ali. Kata he di situ ya yang dimaksud adalah Ali. And the number 2 answer is A. Consider the phrase people from out of town to find place they are seeking in Boyolali. They here refer to people. Jadi, perhatikan kalimat mulai dari people from out of town to find place they are seeking in Boyolali. Kata they di sini yang dimaksud adalah people atau orang. And thank you.